Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Profits channel. Hope you had a very good trading day today. Today let's start with first with Nifty and then we'll go for Bank Nifty because Nifty was looking something straightforward what we predicted yesterday, but Bank Nifty had a little bit of confusion, had a roller coaster ride today. So we can start with Nifty and check how it performed today and what is waiting for tomorrow. So Nifty, it went it went in a downward direction and as expected only. So if you can see our previous predictions, I clearly told do not go for CE buy for Nifty. And personally I see Nifty in a downtrend. I was expecting 1566.55 to touch, but it went till 15700 and then it reversed from there. So this is 15655. I've been telling this target for last 3 to 4 days. If you can see on 26th also I have marked this point and I suggested for downward direction, and 23rd also 15655 I marked and suggested for a downward direction. And yeah, so I have a big unexpected fall. So I have been suggesting Nifty for a downward direction bet and with a target of 15655. So this has been told for last 3 to 4 days, but if you see it performed in the downward direction, but it went till 15700 and reversed. Now how do I see is still the correction on this gap is possible. So currently Nifty is trading at 15746. I would say still that 15655 to 15600 is possible in Nifty before it takes upward move. Let's see the weekly chart of Nifty. So if you can see in the weekly chart, the last red candle formed is below the previous week's green candle. So already the previous week has been broken. So Nifty is clearly in the downward trend when compared to last 2 weeks. So with looking into this, there is always a possibility for the Nifty to test till this point 15700 and then 15692. If you come here 15680 till 15650, it is very well possible for the Nifty can test below. So there is a chance for Nifty to test at 15655 level what we have been talking for last 4 days. Let's also see a day candle. So again a strong red candle has been formed and again it is way below the last previous days, and it is to test this green candle, the previous green candle. Again it is 15735, 15730. If it breaks 15730, then there is a chance again till 15692, 15670, if at the maximum 15640. So again in the day wise candle, again the same support at the bottom, which is around 15600 to 650 is clearly again shown as a support. So there is a very good chance that Nifty can test 100 points still more down before it can start its upward movement. So let's check the 5 minutes chart. What's today's trend? So it was a clearly a downtrend, and from 15700 it made a higher low, and again it is a higher low, and again it is an higher low. So last 2 hours Nifty has tried to recover, and this 5 minutes trend can make Nifty to open tomorrow flat or slightly upward, but we should clearly watch this point of 15,775 as a resistance line, whether it breaks or moves down. So most probably it is going to come to this line, and then it should reverse downward to break 15,700 and to test 15,654, which we saw in the day and weekly chart. Let's quickly check today's points marked. So it is 15,780, which I was telling. So Nifty should open flat or slightly upward, and if it crosses 15,780, it can be a CE buy, upward bet. If it reverses from 15,780, it should be in a downward direction, 15,655 to 600. And this point is 15,7. It is not 15,770. Let me correct it. It is 15,700. If it breaks below 15,700, we should take it. If it breaks below 15,700, we should take it as a confirmation to land at around 15,600 to 15,655. So most probably tomorrow first half it can be a PE buy. It can be a downside to 100 points, and then it could recover. And it could recover, and it could trade between 15,800 to 900 by end of the day. There is a strong resistance build up in option data at 15,800 and 15,900. Nifty can trade between this range. So let me also show that option data. If you can see here, for 15,800 there has been 1,44,000 OA. And even for 15,900 there is a large C writing is there, 1,43,000. There's a good change in OA number as well in the C writing. As in contrary, if you see in P side, 43,000 has been left out, has run away from this P writing. Afternoon it was almost equal, 1 lakh here and 1 lakh here. But by the end of the day at around 15,500, there has been a reduction in PE rating. So most probably what I see is Nifty would not cross 15,900, so it should trade between 15,800 and 15,900 for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And there is a very, very strong build up on 16,000. Yes, there can be a possibility on Thursday, but tomorrow I'd see mostly it will end the day between 15,800 and 15,900. Before that it should test 15,600 to 15,650, which we discussed very in detail just before. Thank you guys for Nifty. Let's get back to Bank Nifty for tomorrow. If you see Bank Nifty, it was kind of a roller coaster ride. So we had a bet for Bank Nifty only for upside, not for downside. But this is a surprise for myself to have broken the pivot, and Bank Nifty is trading down and it's trying to recover. There was a very strong signal with the gap up, and also it broken 130 after a week long time, and again it touched 35,180 and then reverse. The resistance point 35,180 is a new point. It has been taken. 34,200 is the actual resistance, but it didn't even went there. So it turned back. It was given a new resistance point 35,180, and it has reversed. It is okay that it has reversed, but what I expected was it should take a support over here around 35,000 and should move more upside. But it broke the pivotal points, and it tested below as a surprise. And this is also breaking the rule. With all these things, we had HDFC Bank also positive today. So I'd say it was very, very volatile today. Many of the retail buyers could have caught between the trade CE and PE buy. If they would have done multiple entry, I'm sure they would have gone with a limited fund. They should have been in a loss for today. Okay, so let's see what is waiting for us for tomorrow. There is again, like a Nifty, there is again a slight recovery at the last hour from Bank Nifty, but we cannot say really this is a recovery. As a support, big support, I have marked as today's low at 34,720. If it breaks 34,720, Bank Nifty could very well reach to 34,500. I don't see any in between points to stop. If Bank Nifty breaks 34,700, why it breaks I really don't know. I always hope for Bank Nifty to travel upside, because technically it was cleaner till yesterday, but today it has newly shown a very bearish movement. If it crosses below 34,720, look for Bank Nifty can travel to 34,520. So this support line, I have taken it from daily and weekly chart. Let me show you. So this is the weekly chart. So it is clearly trading below the previous week, and it is again also at the very border of the last week of June. So anytime if it breaks the current 34,797, anything below, so I have marked 34,720. So definitely if it breaks 34,720, then the next support point comes somewhere here, 34,540, 550, or otherwise 34,475. So anything nearer to 34,500 can be the next support if Bank Nifty breaks 34,720. Let's look at the markings. So this is the key pivotal lines, 34,935 and 34,850. If you want to do a new entry for CE buy upside, wait till the Bank Nifty crosses 34,935 and then make a new fresh position into CE buy. There is some risk, it can go a little bit flat over 34,935, around 35,000. So there is a little risk, but if you can manage the risk, then enter for CE buy when it crosses 34,935. If you don't want to take any risks, then you have to wait till 35,190, 35,200 to cross to enter any new position on CE buy. So tomorrow market, Bank Nifty can be little flat or a little bit, a few points positive, but the key point to note for tomorrow morning is 34,850. Price will touch 34,850. Then what happens? Then we should watch whether between 34,850 and 34,935, whether it is trying to go flat or it's going to break 34,935 and start the movement upside, or it reverses from 34,850 and breaks 34,720 and comes down. Till yesterday I was only bullish in Bank Nifty, but since today Bank Nifty is trading below the pivot lines, then we should tomorrow watch at 34,850 point, whether it reverses from here or it moves upside. Accordingly, note down this, take these targets and do the trading. So bank, HDFC till yesterday it was negative for last 2 to 3 days, but today it went a positive recovery. This is very good. And ICICI, it's a very good performing stock for this year itself. The results were very positive, but today it did not give a very big movement. I would say ICICI was today neutral. Axis was very positive till yesterday, and today it shown a very negative movement, but I would say Axis today negative movement is very much temporary. Tomorrow it should recover very well. Fundamentally Axis is doing good, and it posted a very good Kotak result. Kotak again today it was negative, but Kotak result also positive. Until yesterday it was in a very positive move. Maybe today there should be some profit booking, that's why Kotak is trading negative. I'm hoping Axis and Kotak should recover and start showing green from tomorrow. SBI today traded positive. Overall Bank Nifty is still positive only, but only point is it is trading below the pivot line. We should tomorrow watch out whether Bank Nifty would successfully break 34,850 and able to travel upside. That's all, guys. All the best for tomorrow trading. Take your own decision according to the fund and the range of risk you can take. During market hours, connect with me in front page for any live updates. Thank you.